What is a volcano? It's any place where material from Earth's mantle comes up through the crust and onto the surface, even underwater. Volcanic activity most often occurs in three kinds of locations: hotspots, divergent plate boundaries, and convergent plate boundaries. Hotspots form where the mantle is so hot that it melts through the crust to initiate volcanic activity. At divergent boundaries, plates move away from each other, and the crust is stretched thin enough that the mantle seeps up and forms volcanoes. Conversely, at convergent boundaries, one plate slips under another, and the crusts of the plates push up against each other. There are three types of convergent boundaries. Oceanic-Continental, where a subducting oceanic plate melts and pushes magma up to the continental plate, causing volcanic activity. Oceanic-Oceanic, where something similar happens except underwater, forming volcanic island chains. And Continental-Continental, where we have peaceful, non-volcanic mountains that don't make any fuss. Now that we know what a volcano is, let's see what volcano stands for. V is for Vesuvius. It is in Italy, and last erupted in 1944. O is for Okmok. It is in the Aleutian Islands and last erupted in 2008. L is for Loihi. It is in Hawaii, and last erupted in 1996. C is for Chaine de Puys. It is in France and last erupted in 4040 BCE. A is for Arenal. It is in Costa Rica and last erupted in 2010. N is for Nyiragongo. It is in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and it is currently erupting as of December 2018. O is for Okataina. It is in New Zealand and last erupted in 1981. Thank you very much for watching. Credits are in the video description.